Hello, I am Siddhananda Sharma. I am standing in front of Physics Department, IIT Guwahati. Physics Department is located at the extreme end of the IIT Guwahati Academic Complex. I, along with my team, will take you to a virtual tour of Physics Department, IIT Guwahati. You can also meet your course instructor who will teach you in this semester. We will go first to the Physics Office, Department of Physics, IIT Guwahati. This is Physics Office. Here you will see the former head of the Department of Physics, IIT Guwahati. Let's first meet Professor Ray Perumal, the head Department of Physics in HOD's office. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Welcome to the Physics Department. And I'm Perumal Alagaswamy. I'm head of the Department of Physics. I hope you will have a enjoyable 2-year MSc program. All the best to you.
Thank you. In Physics Office, you will meet Mrs. Leonie Chaudhary, Office Superintendent, and Mr. Himanshu Datta, Junior Office Assistant. Both will help you in office related work. This is a typical classroom. In first semester, you have to take 6 courses. Here, I would like to introduce with you the course instructors of different courses for the current semester.
Hello everyone, welcome you all to the Department of Physics. Myself Uday Narayan Maiti. I will be teaching PH 409 electronic course. The goal of the course is to connect your theoretical understanding on semiconductor with the practical devices. See you soon in the class. Thank you.
Welcome students in the beautiful campus of IIT Guwahati. Myself Shantobroto Das. This semester I will teach you classical mechanics. The number of the course is PH 403. Welcome to my class and hope you will enjoy my class.
Hello friends, I am Vivas Ranjan Maji. I will be taking PH 405 Quantum Mechanics 1. See you in the class.
Hello everybody, I would like to welcome all of you to the NSC Physics curriculum at IIT Guwahati. My name is Shubhaditya Bhattacharya and I belong to the Physics department at IIT Guwahati, and I am going to take Mathematical Physics 1, which is PH 401 course for you. And you all know that had you been all here, I mean, we could utilize the space of the classroom and the time slot of the semester to enjoy this course. But unfortunately, due to this pandemic situation, we have to all be separated. But no worries, I mean, we can still utilize the virtual space of our online lectures and the time slots given to us, and we try to utilize that to the extent possible. So we will talk more about the details of the course in the course itself. So once again, welcome you all and stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.
Hello students, I am Tapan Mishra and I will be teaching you the course PH 407 on computer programming and numerical methods.
Now we'll go to the numerical lab, numerical computational lab of Physics Department. Okay, this is the numerical lab. Here you will meet Mr. Hemanto Medi. Hi Hemanto. Okay, so Hemanto will help you in the numerical lab. Your numerical computational lab will be taken here. And while you are coming to the campus, we will do all the computational work in this laboratory. We are going to electronics lab now. This is electronics lab. Here you will meet Mr. Hemanta, technical superintendent, and Mr. Lukesh Chakraborty, technical officer, and 6 research scholars. They will help you during your lab hours. Professor Pratima Agarwal and Professor Alika Khare are the course coordinator of PH411 lab. Let's meet the professors.
Hello, students. I am Pratima Agrawal. I will be taking your lab PH411. The other faculty to lead with me is Professor Alika Khare, and we jointly will take the lab session where you will be given a live demonstration of the experiments, and more details about how to perform the experiments and prepare reports will be discussed in a separate session when we start the lab.
This is general physics lab. We have one department postgraduate program committee. In short, it's called DPPC. The DPPC oversees the conduct of all postgraduate courses of the department. The committee ensures academic standard and excellence of the course offered by the department. They discuss and recommend the syllabi of all PG courses offered by department from time to time before sending the same to the institute postgraduate program committee. Let's meet the secretary of DPPC, MSc Matter, Dr. Pankaj Kumar Mishra.
Hi, welcome to IIT Guwahati. I am DPPC Secretary Dr. Pankaj Mishra. So I'll be taking care of your all the queries related with academics, or maybe you can sometime contact to me for the non-academic stuff like how to basically proceed. And feel free to contact to me at any point of time. We are here to help you. On the same way, all the faculty members, you'll go to the website and look at their work, and you'll find them quite friendly. You can interact at any point of time. So with this, I wish you good luck, and wish that you'll have a great time here in 2 years, get a productive time. And also I would like to mention that, as you know, due to COVID situation, we are not able to organize the offline classes, but apart from that, we would like to mention you that we are trying our best to conduct the online classes and give you the same kind of materials that we used to provide during our offline classes, and hope that things will be better soon, and we'll be able to see you in the campus. So good luck, and again welcome to our family.
DPPC has 2 student representatives.
Hello everyone. On behalf of our scholar group, I, Isha Bhatia, the student representative of the PhD, would like to welcome both MSc and PhD students to our Department of Physics. My job in the department is to bring forward your views and ideas and even share your problems within the department. I wish you all a comfortable stay and a good health. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Shagnik Ghosh, the MSc representative for MSc Physics 2020-2022. Congratulations for cracking IIT JAM 2021 and getting admitted to this reputed institute. A warm welcome to this beautiful campus of IIT Guwahati. The faculty members, administrative staffs and your fellow students are all very helpful here and will help you in settling down very fast. Our department hosts the modern lab and classroom facilities that will be beneficial for your research career. As you know, the MSc course is the shortest course at IIT, And so I hope you all will make the most out of these 2 years at IIT Guwahati. All the best for your future. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
From the top floor of the department, you can have a nice view of mighty Brahmaputra and Nilachal Pahar, where Ma Kamakhya temple is located. The road you see from here in the hill is going to Kamakhya temple. These flower pots have been maintained by our own students. I tried here to show you Physics Department IIT Guwahati virtually. Hope the situation is going to be normal soon and we all will able to meet physically. Once more, wish you all a good luck. Goodbye.